Hey bees, I'm Marie from Humblebee and Me, and today we are making some lovely sugar plum lip balm. So this lip balm, of course, contains some gorgeous plum oil, which has this wonderful sort of marzipan-y cherry scent to it, and then has been complemented with some vanilla-like benzoin and some sweet and spicy cardamom for an absolutely decadent lip treat. For this one, I decided to make the amount of beeswax a little higher than I sometimes do because it's getting cold. And when it gets cold, it gets dry, and a little bit extra beeswax really helps lip balms grab on and stay put and do their job. The tint comes from a bit of a dark purple, sort of plummy mica. I've kept the amount pretty low so that it doesn't tint the lips, but if you want it to, you can absolutely step that amount up. I will cover that more in the blog. If you go down to the description box below this video and click through to this post on my blog, you'll find a lot more information about micas, but also substitutions, scaling, shelf life, links to buy all the ingredients, and a lot more. The blog is definitely a good thing to check out. As with most lip balms, this one's really easy to make, sort of measure, melt, pour, cool label. Makes great Christmas gifts, of course, because you end up with quite a lot of them. Yeah, it's a perfect Christmas DIY. So come on, let's get started. We're going to begin by combining our heated ingredients in a small heat-resistant glass measuring cup. So you're going to need 6.75 grams of beeswax, 6.25 grams babassu oil or refined coconut oil, 1.5 grams cocoa butter, 5 grams sweet almond oil, and 5 grams plum oil. To melt everything together, we're going to put our measuring cup in a water bath. So this is a small saucepan with about 1 inch or 3 centimeters of water in the bottom of it. And I'm going to go put this on the stove top over medium heat for about half an hour to melt everything through. Once everything is melted through, you can remove your measuring cup from your water bath. Give that a quick stir, and now we need to add our cool down ingredients so that we can pour the lip balms while they're still pourable. So we're going to need 0.1819-ish grams of purple mica, 0.125 grams of each benzoin and vitamin E, and 0.0625 grams of cardamom. Give that a quick stir, and now we're ready to pour into our lip balm tubes. All right, well that was just about perfect. Now we just gotta leave those to set up. Once the lip balms have set up, you can cap them, and then after they're capped, I'm going to wipe them down with a paper towel that's got some isopropyl alcohol on it, and that will help remove any oil that is on the outsides of the tubes from me spilling as I was pouring, so that our labels stick. And then after that, I'm going to put on some labels. And there you go, you just made some gorgeous sugar plum lip balm. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and do remember to go down to the description box below this video and click through to read this recipe on my blog, where you'll find information on substitutions, scaling, shelf life, links to places to buy all the ingredients, and a whole lot more. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.